guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a full face of first impressions using affordable products. I'm going to be trying out the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. And I'm also going to be trying out the Dream Street Kathleen Lights palette with Colourpop. Yeah. If you'd like to see me get this look right here, then just keep on watching. I already prepped and primed my face, and I already color correct. For foundation, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. I have two shades. I have the shade Cafe and Sand. Here's Sand. It's more light, okay. So the reason I'm mixing them is because Sand is light, and then Cafe is dark. Okay, so to blend it out, I'm going to take the 618 Kopi brush, foundation brush, and just buff it in. I like the smell of this foundation. And usually I'm sensitive to smell, so most foundations has too much scent to it, and it gives me a headache. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Concealer Define in the shade C10.
So yeah, just put it under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, forehead, keep it full.
So to set the concealer, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. I have used this before.
Oh, the powder my eye. Set the forehead, down the bridge of my nose. Keep this full. Chin. I'm also going to set around my mouth, so I'm just
Take the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso, and I'll be right back, okay? I already primed my eyelids. I just need to set them. And I just use the same concealer that I use. I just use the same Makeup Revolution concealer. And I set my brows with the e.l.f. Sweat Resistant Clear Brow. Take the Dream Street Kathleen Light and Colourpop palette. Bam. My nose. I take the shade Magical right here. And I'm taking it on the Morphe Y17 brush and putting it in the crease as my transition shade. I don't know what I'm going for today, but I hope it turns out right. So I'm gonna take the shade, what is this? Potion. Ugh. So I'm gonna take the shade Potion right here and also put that in the crease, but a little lower. Well, no. Yeah, I'll put it also in the crease. And I'm taking the Morphe R30. What the heck is that? So I'm taking the Morphe R39 brush with that shade. And I'm just blending into, putting it on the inner and outer corner also. With the Y17 brush to blend it out so there's no harsh lines. Shade Elfish and put that on the outer and inner corner of the eye. And I'm taking the BH Studio Pro number 8 brush.
I'm gonna slowly blend it into the crease. Too dark. I just want to add a little bit of to it. So just blend it out. Or blend it out together with the Y17 brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of Magical. Just blend out the harsh line.
I'm gonna take the shade Spark and put that in the middle of the lid. So I'm gonna use my fingers and just tap it, tap it. Take the BH Cosmetic It's My Raven palette and just use the shade Mocha. Mocha. So for highlight, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetic Spotlight Highlight palette. Dream here. It's in this middle. It's like this gold champagne. Gold, I don't know. So, taking out a Morphe brush. Bam. Get out. So mascara, I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Active Sweat Resistant Mascara. It's this green thing again. Yeah. So for lips, I'm gonna take the Colourpop Luxe lipstick in the shade pink, in the shade Pinkies Up. So my lips look a little crusty. I did set my face with the Mario Badescu, whatever, rose water. Yeah, that is finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed me doing this video of first impressions using affordable products. Everything turned out pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed me doing this video. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.